Hey guys and gals, it's Adventure Link here, back again with another video review for everyone. Yay! Today we got the Anker Nylon USB-C to USB 2.0A cable. There's all the specs on the back of it. While you read over that, I want to say that I got this for free in exchange for this fair and honest review, as well as for testing and demonstration purposes, through the Anker Power User Program. If you all want to join me, I'll throw up a link in the video description. That being said, this is pretty simple stuff. Just take your thing, fingernail, dig through, pull back, opens up, shake it out. Well, of course, if you flap all the tabs and the lid back, that would probably work better. Alright, try this again. There we go. Yay! Got a USB 2. Yeah, 2A male. This long rectangle piece to USB-C. It's a 2-pack. So, that's a pretty simple unboxing. That's all for that. Let's go show it off and get my review later on. Okay, what you're seeing right now is my Moto Z2 Force Charger. This is a turbocharger, fast charger, whatever you want to call it. This here is my buddy's phone. Obviously it does fast charging, supports it, and the Anker cable takes it well. So, what can I say about this Anker cord here? Well, after playing with it for about a week or so, I've came to a few conclusions here. First off, as you already have seen, this thing will do fast charging. Does it pretty good. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to catch a data transfer on cam. Unfortunately, that's the bad thing about only having one camera, and I can't locate my other ones. Oops. But that being said, I didn't get to catch it. But I will say this. I had my phone hooked up to my iMac using an app called Handshaker to transfer files to and from my Mac. The transfer speed went about, say, 23 to 27 megabytes per second, not megabits, which, for what it's worth, that roughly translates to about, say, halfway of the USB 2 spec, which is data transfers of up to 480 megabits per second. So that is to be expected of that. This is a USB 2 cable after all. And you can tell because it's a white plug and not a blue. As for uses for this thing, basically pretty much the only thing I can ever see this used for is, charging in your car. It's actually really good at charging in cars. And data transfers, from your phone to your computer or whatever. And that's pretty much all I can think of. If you all have any other kind of wacky ideas, do drop them in the comments below, in the YouTube comments section. The price, unfortunately, for this is a little bit pricey. It's $10 for this 2-pack set. At the time this video was filmed and put on YouTube, it's $10 on Amazon with your Prime. So, you consider that, make it that what you will. But it is an Anker cord. They do make good stuff. I've bought a couple Anker products in the past. I've been pretty satisfied with them. So yeah, and also you do get 2 cords in the box, not just the one. Some things that can be improved on in the future, you may remember that this thing came with a little tie, like a Velcro tie that came on it. You all may remember that time I reviewed that clicky gaming keyboard. It had a Velcro strap, but it stayed on the cord. If there could be something similar for this cord, that would be great. Additionally, USB 3 support, that'd be great too. Because keep in mind, this is a USB 2 cord, so even if your computer has a USB 3 port, your phone does USB 3, or your Lightning equivalents or thereof, or Thunderbolt, thunder, that would be great too. Because if I remember right, because this is a USB 2 cord, like say if you have a 3 device, like a display or like a flash drive or something, your port's a USB 3, but the cord's a 2, you might only get USB 2 speeds out of it. I don't know, but that's going to be my guess and theory on it until I actually test this farther, but do keep that in mind if you do get this. And your speeds don't exactly stack up like they did before. Yeah, it's a little pricey. It's Anker though. They do make good stuff. I approve. Yeah. So anyway, this has been my video review on my 2-pack of Anker cords, USB Type-C to USB-A 2.0. You get 2 in the pack, like I said. I'm Adventure Link. Thanks for watching. Special thanks once again goes out to Anker for allowing me to join their Power User program and let me claim the sample for free to do this fair and honest review, as well for testing and demonstration purposes. Again, if you want to be a power user on Anker, I'll drop a link in the video description below. Additionally, the link to this on Amazon will be in the video description as well. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe. It tells YouTube, myself, if I'm doing a good job or not, and I'm not making crappy videos. If you want to see more videos from me and never want to miss a video again, remember to ring that bell. Right. Medical bill donations, Patreon, GoFundMe, Facebook fundraisers, PayPal.me. The links are in the video description. Any amount helps out and is appreciated. And as Gains from the Grave would say, it helps keep this channel and myself alive and undead. Social media, Facebook, Twitter, Steven, and Twitch.tv in the video description as well. And I'm going to close off this video with the wise words of wisdom from Eric the Car Guy, reminding you all to be safe, have fun, and of course, stay dirty. Until next time, thanks again for watching. Thanks again for supporting my channel. Have a good one.